Hi, this is Mark from ITbox, and in this video tutorial I would like to show you how you can change view and function of your Start button in Windows 10. Normally, when we click the Start button, you can see a menu full of colorful tiles, which can be very useful when you are on your tablet or mobile, but not very handy when you are on the desktop or laptop screen. To change this menu, you need to download and install a Start menu software. To do it, you just open your favorite browser, in my case Google Chrome, and some inconvenience, and type the address ninite.com. It opens the website of ninite.com, and now you can see the website full of different icons which representing the software which can be downloaded to your computer completely free of charge. But today we're gonna go to the section called Utilities. So you see Utilities, you see the icon of Classic Start, so you tick next to the icon, scroll down a bit, and now press the button Get Your Ninite. Wait a moment. The link is very small, so it takes literally a while. Now you press the Ninite file, confirm, and now you download and install Classic Start button for your Windows 10. So you press, you close. Now, theoretically, you can start using this Classic Start menu. So if you click now, as normal you click, you see the menu which look like normal Classic Start menu, like what you remember from Windows XP, Windows Vista or Windows 7. To make the things even more customizable for you, you can hover the mouse on the Start menu icon. You do the right click of your mouse with your mouse and choose the settings from the submenu called Settings. And now, as you can see, you can choose between different style of the menu. I personally like Windows 7, so I stick with this. But you have also some tabs, like for example, Basic Settings, Skin, like for example here, Metallic, Customize Start menu, so you can choose what should appear and what you can remove. You press OK, and now you press the Start menu button again, and as you can see, a menu looks different. So it's very convenient, very handy. You don't need to be afraid that you're gonna be lost between so many different icons. And with this Start menu button software, you can make the Start menu simply working for you. So for example, now I click Documents. I can click easily Pictures. I can click also Control Panel, and you can see the whole control panel easy accessible, no problems. You can click also PC Settings. The window will appear. So everything is very simple, designed to be very, very convenient for you. I hope that you liked this video. It was very useful for you. So if yes, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, leave some comments about your experience with Start menu button. It was Mark from ITbox, and see you in the next tutorial about Windows 10.